Hey, you guys. Okay, you remember me telling you that I was going to take you step by step on me taking my hair down. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So, I am going to show you step by step of how I take my these protective twists down, right? And I'm going to shampoo it. I'm going to condition it. I'm going to oil it, and then I'm going to sit under my steamer. I can't wait for that. And so, as you can see, I have a lot of new growth. And then, that's right, I forgot, I have to retighten it after all of that, right? So I'm going to be in my head for all weekend, just taking my time. This is my me time. And I'm going to show you how I even shampoo it and how to really get this hair really clean with my my clarifying shampoo. I can't even remember my clarifying shampoo. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and simply make a comment if you have any questions or if you want to say anything. And make sure you subscribe. If you click on that bell notification, you will be notified when I upload a new video. So make sure you stick around, and I may have a special announcement at the end of this video. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, these are the Sisterlocks Twist Protective Style just before I begin relieving them or releasing them from this twist that I've had for 5 weeks. Now, when I began taking these twists out from this style, I was trying to figure out how to be very careful with not cutting my hair. So you have to really make sure that you do not cut your hair when you're cutting the elastic from your twist. So, and also be very careful not to pull on this elastic gold thread so that you will not pull the ends of your hair. So be very, very careful not to damage the ends of your hair. It's a very slow and methodical process. So be patient. Yay, I'm getting them out. It's a progress. It's a process, and I'm making progress. Yay! I had to turn on some music so that I can enjoy this process of taking my hair down. Yes, I'm done finally taking these gold threads out. That's the beginning of the end. What freedom. Feels good to have them all down. Now I am separating the twists in preparation for the shampooing process. And that's going quite well. Now, if I didn't want to shampoo and I wanted to rock this style, I could. So not only did I have my hair in protective twist, I also could have another style. Yes, they're down. Yay. What freedom. All down. My hair feels good. My scalp feels good. And just to let you know, the shampooing process is so important. But before I do that, you see how I'm massaging my scalp? Make sure to massage your scalp. Your scalp will love it. Water washing is very important in the process of shampooing your hair. Water washing is simply letting the water run through your scalp and your hair, massaging your scalp to loosen up all the dirt and the sweat and the buildup from your scalp and your oils in your hair. What this does is allow your hair to clear itself, and this causes you to use less shampoo. So squeeze your hair, massage your scalp really good, and make sure to loosen up all the dirt and grime in your hair. And this will also feel good to your scalp. I tend to do the water washing about 3 to 5 minutes before I put any shampoo in my hair. As you can see, I'm rinsing it really good, squeezing the ends of my hair. As I prepare to shampoo my hair, I dot the shampoo throughout my hair, and I make sure that I get all the areas of my hair, and then I put a nice dollop amount over the entire surface of my hair, and making sure that I massage and rotate my hair my scalp in a circular motion, squeezing the shampoo all the way through unto the ends of my hair. Make sure you squeeze your hair. This part right here is so important. This is the difference between your hair being thoroughly cleansed and eliminating the odors from your scalp and your hair. So make sure to take time to do this part. This will also cleanse your hair, make your hair sparkling clean, and eliminate the odors from your scalp. Now, when you rinse your hair, make sure to open up your hair and let the water flow through to your scalp. This is very important to get all of the residue out of your scalp, which will help to eliminate buildup and flakes and your scalp from itching. Now I am rubbing my conditioner throughout my hair, massaging it in to my hair. And this will help to soften the hair and to prepare it for your retightening. Make sure to get the ends of your hair as well. So I leave the conditioner in for about 5 minutes. That's all it really takes. And as you can see, I focused on getting the conditioner down to my scalp, the scalp hair, right? Now, when you rinse, lightly rinse. You don't have to rinse it till it's squeaky clean. Just lightly rinse. It's okay to leave a little conditioner in your hair. And just gently squeeze the ends just to get the residue. Here is my super-absorbent towel cap, which is excellent to use instead of your bath towel. It's super absorbent because the band around the edges absorbs the water. Here, I'm squeezing the excess water out of my hair, pulling my hair up on top of my head, and then putting the towel cap over my hair. Make sure to tuck all of your hair under the towel cap so that you will have no drips. And you see how thick and plush this super absorbent towel cap is? It literally absorbs the water. And it's cute, it's compact, and it will fit most people's head and most lengths of hair. I've had customers that had hair down to their behind and they stuff that hair under these caps and they love it. It holds, it absorbs all the moisture in your hair. All right, now I finished that part. Now I'm about to oil my scalp with my hair oil. This particular oil is my Peppermint hair oil. And as you can see, I'm dotting it through my hair, and then you gently massage that oil into your scalp and then on to the ends of your hair. This is in preparation of steaming your hair. Now, always take a hand towel or a towel and wrap it around your shoulders for safety's sake, just in case a little drip of water drips onto your shoulder. You don't want to burn yourself. And then secure it with a clip or a pin, whatever you choose. Also have a face towel available for when you start sweating under that steamer. Pull your hair all the way up on top of your head and then secure it with your large square hair net. This will hold your hair in place and it will allow the steam to permeate through the holes in the hairnet. This accessory comes in the complete bundle collection. This is the time I've been waiting for, my me time. Yes, so excited. And I tend to stay under here for 60 minutes. So you want to at least give yourself 15 minutes to steam your hair, but my go-to time is 60 minutes. Oh boy, that felt so good. Now it's time to take the hair net down. And oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it feels so good. My scalp and my hair feels so good, so hydrated. Oh my goodness. Look at that color popping. That's my natural sandy brown color. And when your hair gets a big gulp of moisture through steaming, it's happy hair. It's moisturized hair. It's healthy hair. It's so moist and hydrated. Feels good. My scalp feels amazing. My hair feels amazing. I can't wait to complete this process. Oh, that's so good. Now to retighten. But first, what I do is re-wet my hair with my rose water moisturizing spray. I spray each section to soften up my hair and my scalp. This is an excellent way to reduce the pain of retightening your sister locks. So what I did was let my hair dry overnight, and then I began retightening. My arms was killing me. Oh, finally, I am done with that process. My hair feels amazing. I am so happy. Yay. My hair grew out a lot. Oh my goodness, my hair feels amazing. As you can see how bouncy it is. And then I rolled my hair with my favorite pillow curlers, which I will have the link down in the description. And this is my favorite style, curls, Sisterlock curls. And I am finished with taking those down. And now I am having a ball with those curls. Surprise! My finished look. Now, this process has been a process for sure. My hair feels amazing. My curls are kicking. And I am just feeling so accomplished. My hair is happy. My scalp feels amazing. And the announcement is that on Thursdays every week, when I go live, I will be gifting my products, a product to a lucky winner. You must show up live when I announce the winner. Show up to find out the rules to this contest. This has been a pleasure to share this journey with you. And if you'd like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make a comment, make sure to hit that notification bell so that when I go live or upload another video, you will be notified. Take care.